Exalted on an altitude of over 3,000 meters, Northeast's very own Tawang Monastery is gearing up for the annual Torgya festival, which will welcome tourists from the country and abroad. So viewers, let us take you through a virtual journey to this architectural beauty, which has gained the attention of one and all since centuries.
Enchanting, isn't it? These mesmerizing visuals on your screen are from Northeast's very own Tawang Monastery. Well, the monastery is once again set to host the annual Torgya festival and welcome tourists and pilgrims from across the country and abroad for the vibrant musical extravaganza. The festival is a hit for tourists from Bhutan, Nepal, Southeast and Western countries who throng in huge numbers every year around 10th to 12th January. Torgya festival is celebrated to pay homage to Lama Tsongkhapa, a Tibetan Buddhist leader. The purpose of the festival is to spread peace and prosperity. The 3-day festival becomes more alluring when lamas dance wearing different costumes and unique masks. Every third year, the festival is organized on a broader level and goes by the name Dungyur Festival. Also referred to as the Golden Namge Lahatse, meaning a celestial paradise in a clear night, the monastery has gained the attention of one and all since centuries. Touted to be the second largest monastery in Asia and the largest in India, the monastery is exalted on an altitude of over 3,000 meters on a hilltop. It was strategically built in 1680-1681 by Merik Lama Lodre Gyatso, as wished by the 5th Dalai Lama, Ngawang Lobsang Gyatso. Notably, the Tawang Monastery is also an institution of yellow hats, that is, the Gelug school of Mahayana Buddhism, which is one of the largest schools of the Mahayana sect. It also houses more than 500 monks and is a repository of valuable artifacts and scriptures, including the sacred Golden Scripture. The library of the monastery is equipped with a voluminous collection of books. The assembly hall of the monastery has a magnificent 21 feet tall gilded statue of Buddha, which symbolizes the Bhumi Sparsh Mudra. Well, Team Northeast Live visited this architectural beauty to give you a ground zero report of the Tawang Monastery and its strategic importance in the Northeast.
Tawang Monastery, which is the second largest monastery in Asia. The monastery, in fact, is one of the largest yellow hat monastery in the entire Himalayan region. The monastery has been playing very important role in accommodating the economical, political, social and cultural values of the region. Prem Chetri reporting for Northeast Live from Tawang.
With inputs from Prem Chetri, News Desk Report, Northeast Live.